In front of me is TCL 25G, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So actually this operation is super quick and easy, because all you need to do is to tap on power key and hold it. Keep holding. And now it will be booted again. Just give it a couple of seconds. And that's it. Now just provide PIN code if you have one, and also the pattern, and you can use your device normally. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.